UMLE Berem ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ubala syabe sengno hakapor Dr. Mukul Sangma Saleng Sangma ubala deiru UMLE ubala no menta kasngi ya jinglong nongbi khmat jong hing dorba thau a nagam bengre ka bahap pa West Garo Hills District ubala 15 biang ka Congress bat penpau ba ka jingrung biang ka jong u sya ka seng Congress ka dei hadien ba Dr. Mukul Sangma uba syong hakaliang persya ula phet no bat penyaso sya ka All India Trinamool Congress. Habaya kran bikilat patai kubor Saleng Sangma ulapun pau baka jingrung jong u sya ka Congress kamdai na kabanta jong u shiman ndrai ka dai na kabanta ki pajba jong ka constituency.
The person who kicked out, the person who kicked out are no longer there. That is one thing. Another thing is that he was a coward. He could not stick, with the Congress. That's why he left Congress and he joined TMC. So that's why I'm in. I think for my people, there are lots of issues which need to be carried out. I have given a proposal strike for my people. I just don't want to leave my people on the halfway. I was in the opposition. Have you ever seen the opposition staying as an independent for whole 5 years? Tell me. Just point out any independent MLA in the whole India who has stayed for whole 5 years without answering with the government. Does anybody has the guts? Just look at Mukul Sangma and his team. They were with the team in Congress. Why they were so suffocated to stay in a group for whole 5 years? What would have happened to them if they were alone like me? Does anybody will have the guts to stay alone in the opposition for whole 5 years? Tell me. So do not talk about my caliber or my guts. BJP is good party. I'm not saying bad party or worse party. But there are some, elements elements actually, which doesn't allow our Christian society to be in. Last time, when I was thinking maybe I might join with the BJP, to be frank enough, let me be fair. Okay, let me speak the truth. Now the thing is that lots of people from here, even the TMC, they started posting around BJP killing Christian, burning the churches, burning this and that. This is like they've been politicians everywhere. So since this is a Christian state, I don't want to hurt the sentiments of my people. That's the emotion I have to respect.
Most of the leaders who have a vision, who have a mission, they always look to where they can have a proper platform, where they can get a proper reform, and where they have to see where we get a better uniform also. So in politics, you need to see a group, you need to see also the future. So I see that Saleng is one of the brightest politicians who can have a future. Number one, he has the personality. Number two, he has the courage. Number three, he has the capacity to see. So he's not only a leader on his constituency, but he's a leader for the people of Kyrwoh Hills as well as for the people of Meghalaya. He's joining back. Like what he said, he was in the Congress. He is more with the Congress than me. He was in the youth Congress. He used to go to UP for the election of Rahul Gandhi. He worked very hard on the ground those days. But some people saw that he was a threat to them. So they kicked him out. They denied the ticket to him. But today he realized that when he was in the NCP and then when he looked for a better platform and he wants for reform or whatever he thinks, I think there's a limited scope for Meghalaya. Therefore, he comes back, so we welcome him. So also Richard Singh, I told him many times to join the Congress, but then he realized now only that when he goes to the grassroots level, the people think that, oh no, this time we want to go, we want to change, we want for a change, we want a Congress. So I welcome all of them, and I see that with both of them coming, the waves will start from Giant Hills to Kyrwoh Hills. Definitely will help us, will improve, and I'm very confident. And this time we are going to declare the candidates, I think within 3-4 days. I'm leaving for Delhi right after this press conference. And we are having a meeting tomorrow for screening committee and the CEC on the next day. So hopefully by 25th or 26th we should declare our candidates. We have already cleared 57 candidates as of now, 57 out of 60. So we want to keep a gap of 1 or 2 for strategic fighting for the election. And I think every party, every body has a strategy. So with this, I think we should do well. And definitely Saleng coming in will have he can influence a lot of youth, and he'll be an example of the youth who he was a victim from the Congress and he has come back. Now with his experience as a victim and experience now will be as a leader, a better platform, I think will give a better reform